Hi children, good morning. How were you all? Good. Okay. So let's start our third activity for today, which is baby yoga. The learning objectives for this activity are stimulate gross motor skills, strengthen body muscles, improve flexibility, increase body awareness, balance, and coordination. The benefits of yoga for young children are the early years of child's life are extremely important for their emotional, cognitive, and physical development. Yoga gives them the opportunity to develop all areas of their being, making them healthier and happier. There are three amazing benefits of yoga for young children. The first one is physical development. It gets them moving. It's helped them in their physical development. The second one is cognitive learning. It improves their focus and concentration. As you know that yoga is very beneficial in improving focus and concentration. The third one is psychological benefit. It boosts their confidence and self-esteem. The resources for this activity are yoga mat and light background music. So you have to start this activity by placing a yoga mat on the floor, and then you have to play light background music. And children, do you know what our first pose is? Our first pose for today is eagle pose. You know eagle? Have you seen eagle? Eagle is a bird. So in this pose, what you have to do is you have to stand tall, wrap one leg around the other, and bring your bent arms out in front of your arms together the opposite way, and slightly bend your knees like the eagle sit on a tree like an eagle, as you can see in this picture. Then what you have to do is you have to breathe in and breathe out. I'm sure that you all like this pose. Let's see what is our second pose. Our second pose for today is happy baby pose. For this pose, what you have to do is you have to lie on your back with your chin tucked in, hug your knees into your chest, then grab your outer part of your feet with both of your hands and rock like a baby. I'm sure that you all are going to love this pose. Let's see what our third pose is. Our third pose is reverse tabletop pose. For this pose, what you have to do is you have to come on sitting with your palms behind your soles of your feet flat in front of you. Lift your buttocks to create a table. Then walk like a crab. Let's see what our fourth pose is. Our fourth pose for today is half shoulder stand. For this, what you have to do is you have to lie on the floor and place your hands below your hips. Slowly raise your legs up and hold them in position for some time and breathe in and breathe out. I'm sure that you all enjoyed these yoga poses. Parents, please share photograph of your child doing this yoga poses. Thank you so much. Thank you.